everyone, and welcome to Full Disclosure, the new and improved version of Lodestar's podcast. I'm Elena Gardner, joined with our wonderful CEO, Jim Paolino, and you're stuck with us as we talk all things Lodestar Mortgage. And we're also joined by our wonderful producer, Tim Austin, who's off camera.
For our next segment here on the Full Disclosure podcast, we're still looking for an official title for this, but for now, it's just what grinds my gears. Anything bugging either of you lately? Anybody want to pull out a soapbox?
So I'm really excited for the fall. I like starting of school, football season, finally not being so hot and humid here in Philadelphia. But everyone jumps the gun on pumpkin anything. Like I'll have a pumpkin spice latte, I'll have a pumpkin beer, but it's mid-August. I don't need to see pumpkin rolls.
So you have an
right
issue
now.
with my reed diffuser behind you that smells like pumpkin
Yeah,
spice?
a little bit. I'm getting assaulted by it right over here. But yeah, I think it's just too soon for that. Like I understand that you have to make pumpkin beer like in June, right, for everything to be ready. But like there shouldn't be a pumpkin roll in the stores yet. Like I feel like you jump the gun. It feels like once 4th of July is over, like we're pretty much in the fall. The back to school commercials are starting too. Like no, like
That's fair.
Let the summer run for a little bit, everyone.
Yeah, I mean, I'm an August birthday, and my
As am I.
my husband's a school teacher.
Yeah.
So I think my problem is I'm the beginning of the month,
Fair. Yeah.
and so I'm like, it's fine, it's over
I'm
now.
like Labor Day weekend.
Yeah, that's
So,
late.
yeah.
That's late.
Yeah, I want.
You're trying to hold on to the
Summer's
summer.
over the Monday of Labor Day weekend. Yeah.
Oh, see, my husband goes back to school next week.
Yeah.
Like, but by the time this releases, he will have been in school for 2 weeks, right?
Fair.
So like, I think that's a big difference for me is like, once he's like ramping up, I'm like, okay, it's over. We're done.
What I'm getting is you can learn a lot of the strength of somebody's principles by walking them through a grocery store in August if they buy the pumpkin spice cider, which confession time, I 100% did last night.
Oh, if Downey's comes out with the pumpkin cider, you have to buy it early because it will sell out before October hits.
It's a temperature thing for me. If it's like above 70 degrees, I don't want anything pumpkin flavored.
That's very fair.
I mean, Jim, you're right, but also
Anything from you, Elena?
When people don't label their buffets, it makes me really angry.
like at conferences.
Like at
Conference
conferences,
season coming up.
with conference season coming up,
Mhm.
I am allergic to dairy, which is a hard allergy to have at a conference because everything has cheese or butter
Yeah.
or anything. Label your food. Conference centers, label your food. If you're an event planner, make sure your food is labeled because I've gone to some big industry conferences and I won't make a thing. But if you make me fill out a dietary restrictions form and you don't have your food labeled, I have an issue. I have had to order Sweetgreen at a trade show to a convention center because they didn't label their food and no one could get me an answer for 30 minutes. That is not okay when I pay $1,500 to go to an event. Feed me, please.
This is becoming my favorite
I've
segment.
the notes. Yeah.
We've shot this twice now, and both times you guys were like, I don't really have anything that bums me out.
Yeah.
And then we end the segment with both of you guys
It's
giving
great.
like a glorious sermon, and I'm here
I'm
for it.
a really strong opinion about
Cool.
not being fed.
I can't top that. So
It makes me angry sometimes. And then people will be like, oh, this is all you're eating. And it's like, yeah, because I can only eat the boiled chicken breast and lettuce that doesn't have any dressing on it because all they gave me was ranch. It's just not good sometimes, guys. I'm not trying to not eat. I just can't. What if we just end it with a bunch of us spoofing on the Full Disclosure tagline? Full disclosure, when pumpkin spice is the only reliable thing about your economy.